Jupiter is a brand new cryptocurrency token that could go from 50 cents all the way to $16. In this video, I'm going to detail why JUP fits my thesis, how you could have qualified for an airdrop, how you can still qualify for future airdrops, the tokenomics, the value capture, and just about everything that you need to know. Like I said, brand new token. I'm bringing you this alpha and you press the buttons to support. Let's dive in. Jumping straight into the technicals on TradingView, the Jupiter token launched at the end of January, specifically January 31st, 2024 at 8 a.m. Now that you have a better understanding of the JUP launch, the JUP airdrop, and kind of what's happened since its meteoric launch, let's talk about a price prediction, which is probably the reason that you are here. Like we talked about, JUP currently trading with a market cap of around 680 billion and a price of 50 cents. Just a quick disclaimer, you can trade it just about anywhere: Binance, Bybit, BingX, KuCoin, Gate.io. There's literally 12 pages of exchanges, and frankly, you can get it just about anywhere. But the burning question is that fair? Is that reasonable? Is that realistic? Personally, I think it's all of those, and this is on the lower end of what's possible in this bull run for JUP. So let me explain. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, and that is very rough back of the envelope math, but frankly, I think it has validity because not only is it a better product than Uniswap, it seems to be adopting at a much faster rate. Solana ecosystem has major momentum, and Jupiter is the single best product on it. We're now going to move on to important analytics about JUP functionality, what it does, and how it is outperforming every other DEX in DeFi. Jumping right into the JUP utility and I guess adoption component, there are 4 graphs that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to break down why JUP is the most adopted decentralized application, not only in the Solana network. Thank you for taking your time and sticking around until the end. I appreciate it.